How to install Google app on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the App Store application on your iPhone. Once you're on the main page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the Search tab at the right corner as shown. This will take you to the search page, where you can find specific apps. Here, tap on the search bar at the top and type in Google to find the app. From the search results, locate the official Google app and tap on it to view its details. On the Apps page, tap on the Cloud Download icon to begin the installation process. The app will start downloading and will automatically appear on your home screen. You can see the installation progress directly on the app icon itself. Once the installation is complete, the icon will be ready for you to use. Following these steps, you can easily install the Google app on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.